What you doing, Solo Cat? Nothing, Dad. Oh. It's not raining outside. No. Just can't think of anything to do. We all have that problem sometimes, Solo. I wish I had someone to play with. Yes, but you chase off all your friends, Solo. Sometimes. What about your toy? It's no fun. Oh, come on. You have fun with that toy. Yeah, sometimes. Well, you'll think of something, Solo. Thanks, Dad. Not a lot going on out there. Everybody's getting ready for spring. Hallelujah. What does that mean, Dad? Huh? Hallelujah? It means that was a tough winter, and let's go see the sun. All right, so things will brighten up. Cute, Dad.